how to set multiple alarms on iPhone. First, let's return back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, swipe across to go into the app library. And here we open up the clock app. In here at the bottom, you want to tap on the alarms tab. This will open up the alarms page. In here, you may have one or many alarms already set up. You can tap on the toggle button to turn on or switch it off. Here, you can tap on the add button to add in an alarm. And then set the alarm time. So here I can set at 6 p.m. Okay, so we scroll down, set one at 6 p.m. Here you can set a repeat. You can label the alarm. So here I'll say alarm 1. And you can choose a sound for the alarm. Next, choose whether you want to use snooze feature or not. And then tap on the accept button. Okay, so we have the first alarm. Then to add in multiple alarms, you continue to repeat the same step by tapping on the add button. And then here we give it a name, alarm number 2. And here you can set the repeat and tap on the sound. Here for this particular alarm, I will choose the same sound, and I will turn off snooze, and then we set a time. So this time we say 7 o'clock p.m. and then tap on accept. Here to make use of the multiple alarms, make sure you turn it on. And that's it. That's how you can set multiple alarms on the iPhone. Thank you for watching this video.